Charlie, it's your first time trying banana? And instead you're eating your bib? You are a funny boy. Here, Charlie. Look, not your bib. Eat your banana. Eat a little banana.
I need butter.
I like the butter on my ice cream.
I don't like butter.
You don't have to eat butter.
It's okay. Here, Mama, give it back for you. Okay. Here, Charlie.
It's a boot.
Ooh, Charlie has the idea. Tasting his banana.
Charlie got the idea. He's tasting it.
Oh. It's okay, buddy. I'm not sure if he likes it or not.
Charlie's eating.
He's trying. Is it fun, Charlie? So, Graves, go sit down and eat your dinner.
I know I my dinner.